same way in the jail, him still a run things. VYBZ KARTEL to the world.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Unstoppable, run away train. Every day can't be the same. You wanna deal with Gaza fans who don't know, so I know so everybody has celebrate right now. Because today, is VYBZ KARTEL birthday. And to all Gaza fans, it's like a holiday, literally. Yes, I mean I say, me mean when I say that. So from the whole Unstoppable team, we have to say happy earth strong to VYBZ KARTEL because today is VYBZ KARTEL 43rd birthday. Yeah man, so bless up the man upon him day, you see. But I know we alone I wish VYBZ KARTEL a happy birthday. Lee Scratch Perry, who's also a huge fan of VYBZ KARTEL, I send the man some birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, King of Ragamuffin. Happy birthday, King of Ragatuffin. Happy birthday to you, King of Dancehall, VYBZ KARTEL. We wishing to see you around soon. Happy birthday, Cartel. Happy birthday, Wartel. Happy birthday, King of Dancehall. Happy birthday to you. See you out here soon. See you in the moon. As the Super 8 from the jungle. See you in the moon. Happy birthday, Cartel. King of Dancehall. Happy birthday, Mr. Cartel. King of the world. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you like Lee Scratch Perry that run out with a bunch of things a while ago, Jano. But we get the whole idea still. Happy birthday, VYBZ KARTEL. So VYBZ KARTEL have fans all over the world, as we know already. All over the world in other countries. You see me I say. So I'm gonna make you hear them brother here as them a big up the world boss for him earth strong to you. See me I said. I think some of them are African, Nigerian, from Ghana. People from all over big up VYBZ KARTEL. So just check out them brother here. I wish VYBZ KARTEL a happy earth strong.
Gaza, me say. Word boss, happy birthday to the word boss. VYBZ KARTEL, Azim Palma, my teacher, the Don Dada. You don't know, Adi, the innocent, free word boss. I'm cooking right now for the word boss. You don't know, some cabbage and some fishes and thing, I saw the thing go. If you don't know, today is my teacher's birthday, VYBZ KARTEL. So we're doing something strict for the teacher. You don't know. The teacher told me how to cook. Mama told me how to cook too. You don't know. Happy birthday again, VYBZ KARTEL. Big up to all the Gaza nation. Big up to Super Level Levity. Big up to Jamaica. Hey, I see Khalid, Azim Palm, I see Marisa Cooks, I see all the Gaza fans out there. Super Level Levity say. Big up on your status. Big up on yourself. No level for devil, you don't know. Free word boss. Super Level Levity, no level for devil. Gaza, me say.
KARTEL, come breed me.
Yo. Wagwan Gaza Nation. And today is VYBZ KARTEL's birthday. Remember say, we Kenya celebrate celebrate him. I will say, today is a Gaza holiday. You don't know dog. So me take it today as a holiday. So me say, big up world boss. Happy earth strong with Dan. More life, more blessing, Zimmy, more protection for your family. A member say, all your fans love you. All your fans ready for hear your next tune. Always remember that, me Dan. Happy earth strong, Zimmy. Happy earth strong to all Gaza nation. Remember that. Every Gaza nation, from right now, people should play strictly VYBZ KARTEL music. Can say you need to appreciate VYBZ KARTEL for the work him do. So, big up me Dan. Happy earth strong. From Kenya. We rate you, we love you. See me? I'm out.
Put a spliff in my hand.
My gun bigger, Brooklyn.
I great boat in my head, tough. Spliff bigger than a pillar in a bed.
Yo, I'm not gonna tell a lie. I like that girl, the last girl a while again at the orange blow. The girl bad. Spliff bigger than a pillar in a bed, dog. Yo, you see me? So this only shows the VYBZ KARTEL fans still loyal to VYBZ KARTEL, even though VYBZ KARTEL has been gone for quite some time, You see me? Because the people them love and respect VYBZ KARTEL same way and know VYBZ KARTEL songs word for word. You see me? Watch on a man. Let me give you another example.
My girl from the first day me see you. Say no more gangster, something them a try.
My place are my place, your place are your place.
Girl, your pum pum enchanting.
God, we not talk about Pina Blackberry.
How when you're jail, you can't flap noddy.
So to get my point right, VYBZ KARTEL fans loyal till the end. And on his Earth Strong, them they just have to tell him bless up upon him Earth Strong. So watch you now, me go show you a clip of VYBZ KARTEL last birthday party. Well, me don't know if it's the last one, but it's been a while back since him dropped the birthday party. So me I say, and people, yo, it was vibrant and fun. You see it, when the man get all, somebody present him with a cake soap, cake. A cake soap, cake. A cake soap, cake. What for yourself?
With cake soap. Happy birthday. So this might be a soap cake. Some campus, huh? Piece of the cake soap broke off. I want real cake soap. Let me see it. Oh. It's not that cake. It's a cake. Soap, like, kill ya. Respect and love, you know. Can Bluetooth a kiss to you?
Wanna see people a cake, soap, cake. Yeah, me like it still. But after that, after Kartel get him cake, it go into the performance. Yes, I say, we are gonna see your Popcorn and Tammy Lee and yo, the whole Gaza a perform for the world boss Earth Strong way back when that was. Yes, I say. So it would have been wrong of me to not show Uno the performance too, though. So just enjoy a little performance, yeah.
As a boy, I watch him choose the cake soon. No shall not trouble we, no shall not trouble we. The demon them rise hard in your life when no open to we. Rise max and rocks settle down cats with the blood stop. Shut around be the bend up, boy should walk in the bed shop. As well as skin like Shelly, ring like Shelly, and you hope like Jack Jelly. Them fine boy body say, how and we keep out that we air at night. The more them rolling really pass up car. He could fly up and pick out the next side. Look, what we tell them building? Building walk out the compy was jumpy. Blast up boy head for the boy for the look compy. Now work for which car? Them skin the trick pop. And split in the half. Me that is killing my life. Ha ha ha. Killing my life.
Yo, one man said, when you go over and stand them and you cross, you come like a train. You can't stop us to you. I'm never tell you why. You see me? We never man. Oh, God, we don't want to do it. We never man. I'm the rich man, so we got a rich man house. No time. My father coming from work and never die. No time. This is the boy man of my man up here to the limit. Uptown. See him so we do it up on. G-Shop. You want the G? Your G-Shop was. Ready or not? Oh, the style is like the rest of the road. But see me control from head to the toe. Probably up here, bro. Y'all never watch me, I can say so. And I say, teacher, what you say so? Every man come on for the lady. That's how we do it in Uptown Garden. That's how we do it in a Portmore Garden. I know when we ride or when we in when the white people then tell me the girl that says she says you like she love when you in a she is a feeling.
Well, see the people, Vybz Kartel performing theme Earth Strong. Me don't remember how long that was or when that was, but it was a fun show when get a cake, soap, cake. Yeah, you see me people. So what you know now? We don't say it already. Happy Earth Strong Vybz Kartel. So viewers, what we want uno do right now is comment in the comment section and big up the world boss theme strong. Say happy Earth Strong Vybz Kartel. Bless up. Freedom is a must. You see, watch on man, you don't know, set another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, and definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so once we upload a video, you get the alert first. You see, watch on man, done with this. Until the next video, gone, my gone. Big up yourself.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.